spacious living and dining area where you will get two parallel platforms. This will be your master bedroom where you can place your king size bed. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Adhiraj Capital City by Adhiraj Constructions located in Kharghar. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right outside the sales office. As you can see, this is the road connecting you to the main road and the highway. And this is the neighborhood of this project. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Talking about the project overview, this project is constructed on a land parcel of 40 acres which will be constructed phase-wise. Right now it has 3 phases that has 10 towers with G plus 55 stories having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Talking about the amenities, this project has 40 plus amenities with kids pool, gym, clubhouse, jogging track, banquet hall, yoga deck, kids play area and many more amenities. So as you can see, now we are at this project and this is the view from this sky lounge. The building is rotated at a degree of 360 degree and you have these type of sky lounges on every 5th floor of the building and you will get different views from every sky lounge. As I mentioned, you will get different view from every sky lounge. This one has a mountain view which is opposite to the first sky lounge that I showed you. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Sector 36 Kharghar, from where Amandut metro station is only 500 meters, Kharghar railway station is only 15 minutes drive, Taloja highway is only 5 minutes drive and upcoming Navi Mumbai airport is only 30 minutes drive. Also, you have school, colleges and hospitals within 1.5 kilometers from the project. Also, to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. So now, we are standing outside the 2 BHK of Adhiraj Capital City. This 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 683 square feet. Let's begin with the sample flat tour and see what the builder has provided. As we enter, you will get the spacious living and dining area. You can place a 2-way sofa in the living with your center table, side tables, and you can also customize your TV unit. Also, you will get full French windows with a very spacious balcony in the living. You can easily place your tea tables and tea chairs in the balcony to enjoy tea time with a great view with your family. Moving forward, over here we have a dining corner where you can easily place a 4 to 6 people dining table to enjoy meals with your family. And directly opposite to the dining corner, we have a kitchen where you will get 2 parallel platforms, and as you can see, the kitchen is very spacious. You can easily customize your lower cabinets and your upper cabinets, and you can also build lofts if you want. You will also get half French windows with a glass facade in the kitchen for a beautiful view and ventilation. You also have space provided to place your refrigerator. And now, moving forward, over here we have the common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. The common washroom also has a dryer space provided where you can place your washing machine. Opposite to the common washroom, we have a common bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can place your bed and side tables and you will have plenty of walkable space left. Over here, we have the wardrobe corner that you can see is inside the wall that gives your bedroom a bigger look. And over here, we have the windows. Also, you have space to make this your seating corner. Now, before moving forward, I would like to tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now, let's move to the master bedroom of this 2 BHK. As we enter, you will get this foyer space that gives your master bedroom full privacy. To the left of the entrance, we have the attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Moving forward, this will be your master bedroom where you can place your king-size bed along with the side tables, and you can also make this your makeup corner. And here we have the wardrobe space that is inside the wall to give your bedroom a bigger look. You will also have full French windows in this master bedroom to give you a beautiful view. You can also customize your study corner and your TV unit over here. So this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of Adiraj capital city. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, have you bought properties in this location before? If yes, what are your reviews? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Adiraj capital city by Adiraj Constructions located in Kharghar.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.